Hello students, Mr. Young here. Welcome to American Nation today. If you're working by the due date, it's probably about Friday, October 5th, which means you have a Friday study day, which means you have the whole weekend to study for the test, which can be good or it can be bad. Because if you use today to study, that means you're going to go all the way till Tuesday before you do the test, because we have off on Monday for Columbus Day. So, a couple thoughts for you. You can use today to study, but make sure you maybe take a look at everything quickly again before you try to take the test on Tuesday, because that's a long time to retain information. Or, options there, study today and do the test today. It's up to you. It's cyber school. You can do it pretty much how you want. We have a number of tools at our disposal. We've got the review page, which is where this video is, filled with useful tips and hints. We've got the study guide. And we've got a summary, which is a fun new tool. So we've got our form here with these tips. As always, I advise everyone to reread the chapter before you try to take the test. So if you click on your connected link, your books will pop up. Here's American Nation, Student Edition. This was Chapter 4, and you can reread all the lessons. Just hit go. They're not too long. Each chapter's not that long. It'll take you probably about 15 minutes to read. So that's always a great way to study. If you take a look at the study guide here, if you can answer all these questions, you're probably in a great position to ace the test. You'll see actually you probably get like 110%. There's a lot. This is a detailed study guide. So if you know all these answers, you're probably in a good position to do very well. The summary is something that pops out by clicking that, and it's a tool that came with the textbook. It's sort of an outline of major points of each lesson, which is pretty useful. So take a look over that too, and all of these will help you ace that test, which is right here. It's 40 points. If you take a quick look at it, you'll see it's a mixture of matching with the vocab, which is 15 points of vocab, and then you have a lot of multiple choice, a little bit more matching, true or false, chilling on the end there, and that's the test. Nothing crazy. And, I'm not trying to surprise you here. I just want everyone to be prepared and do well, and also learn their history. That's why we're here. So that's it. Go ahead, study, use all those tools. Let me know if you need anything. Have any questions? You have 3 attempts on this, so if you flub the first one, you got 2 more attempts. No big deal. And to tell you what, if you need another attempt for whatever reason, just let me know and I'll usually grant it. That's all for now. Good luck with the test. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the extra long weekend.